ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యా రంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Okay, here the next example is beryllium or beryllium species. Be2 plus and Be2 minus. Be2 minus. Beryllium atomic number 4. Here 2 beryllium atoms are there. 2 into 4 is equal to 8 electron system. What about the molecular orbital configuration? K star, L star means what? Sigma on S square, sigma on S2, sigma star on S2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Here the number of bonding electrons 4. Bond order is equal to 4 minus anti-bonding 4 by 2, 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. Does not exist. Be2 plus 2 beryllium atoms. Each beryllium atom contains 4 electrons. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 1, 7 electron system. Here 7 electron system. What about the molecular orbital configuration? Sigma on S2, sigma star on S2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s1. Here bond order is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 minus 3 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Here the species is unstable. Okay, Be2 minus 2 beryllium atoms, 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9 electron system. How can you represent the electrons in the molecular orbitals? K star, L star, pi 2px1 is equal to pi 2py0. Here bond order is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, means unstable. Okay. Here there is an unpaired electron present in pi 2px. So the species is paramagnetic. Here there is an unpaired electron present in sigma star 2s1. So that is also paramagnetic. This is about the bond order and the nature of the species of beryllium. Okay. What about the order of bond order? Here beryllium 2, Be2 0, Be2 minus and Be2 plus. Bond order, greater the number of bonding electrons, greater will be the bond order. Number of bonding electrons 2 plus 2, 4. Here 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. So Be2 minus greater than Be2 plus. Therefore the bond energy also following the same. Be2 minus greater than Be2 plus greater than Be2. And what about the bond length? Quite reverse. Be2 minus and Be2 plus. This is about the order of bond order, bond energy and bond length and nature of the species and their relative stabilities and whether the species is existed or not. 8 electron system, 7 electron system, 9 electron system. Now let us go through boron species. Let us go through boron species. Here what about the boron species? B2. Here what is the atomic number of boron? 5. Each boron contains 5 electrons. 2 into 5, 10 electrons. 10 electron system. K star, L star, 8 electrons. Next, pi 2px equal to pi 2py. Here how many electrons are remaining? 2 electrons. 10 electrons total, 8 electrons are already arranged, 2 electrons are left. But how can you arrange the 2 electrons? You can write pi 2p square, 2px square, pi 2py 0 or pi 2p x1 is equal to pi 2p y1. This is correct according to Ohm's rule. Each molecular orbital holds at least 1 electron to undergo pairing. Here this is the condition. What about the bond order? Number of bonding electrons 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Bond order is equal to 1, single bond. What about the nature? Paramagnetic. Why? There are 2 unpaired electrons present in the pi 2px and pi 2py. Here bond order 1. Bond order 1. Okay. Next one. B2 plus. B2 plus means 2 into 5 minus 1, that is equal to 9 electron system. You have no need to write, same as that of B2 minus. That is B2 minus. What about the bond order? Bond order for these two, for B2 plus and B2 minus, is equal to 0.5. And the species nature paramagnetic. Okay. Next B2 minus. B2 10 electron system. B2 plus 9 electron system. B2 plus 9 electron system. B2 minus 2 into 5 plus 1, that is equal to 11 electron system. Here K star, L star, pi 2px equal to pi 2py. 8 electrons already accommodate in sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, means K star and L star, 8 electrons. Here how many electrons are there? 11. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Therefore, bond order is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. 1.5. What about the bond order of boron species? Bond order. Here, boron species B2 1. B2 plus 0.5, B2 minus 1.5, B2 minus greater than, B2 greater than B2 plus. What about the bond energy? Same, B2 minus greater than, B2 greater than B2 plus. What about the order of bond length? B2 minus less than, B2 less than B2 plus. And here this is for the beryllium species, this is for the boron species. Totally 6 species. 8 electron system, 7 electron system and 9 electron system, 10 electron system and once again 9 electron system and 11 electron system. From 8 to 11 electron systems are covered in this. Okay. Next one. After boron, we have to go through an important species of carbon. What about the different carbon species? What about different carbon species? Here the first one, C2. Second one, C2 plus. Third one, C2 minus. Fourth one, C2 2 minus. Find out the order of bond energy and bond length for the different species of carbon, C2, C2 plus, C2 minus, C2 2 minus. First find out the type of electron system. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 minus 1 is equal to 11. And 2 into 6 plus 1 is equal to 13. 2 into 6 plus 2 is equal to 14. We have already about this 11 electron system. What is that? Here B2 minus. B2 minus. B2 minus bond order is equal to. B2 minus bond order is equal to 1.5. How can you identify? We have already solved for this, and for the same thing we can write the same one, K star, L star, 8 electrons, pi 2p square x is equal to pi 2p y1. Here bond order is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 3, 7 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 1.5. Here the species is unstable and paramagnetic. Why? Due to availability of an unpaired electron in pi 2py. This is already known to you from this species B2 minus ion. But what about the remaining 3 species? Here this is the even number. This is the odd number. Once again this is even number. In most of the cases, this is very important point. For the species with odd number of electrons having fractional bond order, the species with even number of electrons having the bond order as a whole number, that may be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 etc. Look at the species, 12 electrons, K star, L star, pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12. Bond order is equal to 4 plus 4, 8 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2, means double bond. Here bond order is equal to 2, means double bond. What about the nature of the species? Diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. This is already known to you, already solved, and once again I have given the information. 13 electrons, K star, L star, 8 electrons are accommodated, and here remaining 5 electrons, pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y and sigma 2p z1. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now, bond order is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. And here the species is unstable and the paramagnetic in nature. This is 13 electron system, but this is 14 electron system, means we are adding one more electron to this. K star, L star, pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y sigma 2p square z. Bond order is equal to 10 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Bond order is equal to 3. Bond order is equal to 3 means there is a triple bond between the two carbon atoms. There is a triple bond between the two carbon atoms. Here bond order is equal to 3 means triple bond. What about the nature of the species? Diamagnetic. How can you say diamagnetic nature? There is no unpaired electron present in either bonding or anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So, diamagnetic. Now, examination point of view, very important. Very important. What about the species of bond order, bond energy and bond length? Bond order of C2 is equal to 2, 1.5, 2.5, 3. Here C2 2 minus greater than, C2 minus greater than, C2 greater than, C2 plus. C2 2 minus 3, C2 minus 2.5, C2 2, C2 plus 1.5. Here bond energy following the same, C2 minus, C2, C2 plus. What about the bond length? C2 2 minus, C2 minus, C2, C2 plus. Very important. 12 electron system, 11 electron system, 13 electron system and 14 electron system. And then after this nitrogen, after this nitrogen. What about the species that are related to nitrogen element or nitrogen molecule? N2, 2 into 7 is equal to 14 electron system. Same. Here that is nothing but C2 2 minus system. C2 2 minus system. And another example, Cn minus. How can you say? Carbon atomic number is equal to 6 plus nitrogen atomic number 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Another example, CO, carbon monoxide, 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14 electron system. And in the last class I have given a statement. What is that? The species with the same number of electrons having same bond order in case of diatomic species. The species with the same number of electrons having same bond order and almost all same nature also, either paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Okay, here nitrogen means 14 electron system. Example C2 2 minus, Cn minus, CO. Okay, and there is another example is also there, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide means 7 plus 8, 15 plus means 1 electron is lost, 14 electron system. You have to think like this, and while you are making practice, you should not think about a single species. You have to search out the species with same number of electrons. Here molecular orbital configuration K star, L star, and here this is 14 electron system. So pi 2p square x is equal to pi 2p square y sigma 2p square z. Bond order is equal to 10 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Bond order is equal to 3 means triple bond. And next one, nature of the species, diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. Next, N2 plus. N2 plus means 2 into 7 minus 1, that means 13 electron system. 13 electron system means what? One electron is removed from this one. And other examples for the 13 electron system, C2 minus. C2 minus. And next one, bond order is equal to, okay, write the configuration also. K star, L star, pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y, sigma 2p z1. Bond order is equal to 4 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 minus 4 by 2. That is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. And here there is an unpaired electron present in this. So, paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. And fractional bond order, paramagnetic. Here, bond order is equal to 3. Means even number, diamagnetic. Okay. Let us go for another example. 13 electron system, 14 electron system. And here, this is a peculiar one, N2 minus. N2 minus means 2 into 7, 14, plus 1, that is equal to 15 electron system. Here the configuration is changed. K star, L star, sigma 2p square z, pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y. 8 plus 6, 14. And same time you have to write 2 pi star 2p x1 is equal to pi star 2p y0. Here up to 14 electron system or less than 14 or equal to 14 electron system, here the 2 molecular orbitals comes first, sigma comes next. But in case of greater than 14 electron system, here this order is reversed. That you have to keep in mind. Now the bond order, 10 minus 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5. Here the species is paramagnetic. Because there is an unpaired electron present in the pi star antibonding molecular orbital, N2 minus. Okay. What about the order of bond order, bond energy and bond length? Bond order, N2 is equal to 3, N2 plus is equal to 2.5, N2 minus is equal to 2.5. Here, N2 greater than N2 plus and N2 minus. Bond order is equal to 2.5, 2.5 same. For N2 plus and also N2 minus, both are same, right? But what about the bond energy? Following the same, N2 greater than. But in case of bond energy, you have to think once again. Number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Here 9 bonding electrons. In case of N2 minus, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 4 plus 6, 10. Here 10 non-bonding, that means bonding electrons are there. Here anti-bonding electrons 2 plus 2 4 only. Here 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. Based on the number of bonding electrons, here N2 minus, where it is N2 minus has greater bond energy than N2 plus. N2 plus. And here in most of the cases we are thinking like that. But you should think about the another important concept which is already given in the periodic table, effective nuclear charge. In N2 minus number of electrons is equal to 15. Okay. What about the number of protons? 7 plus 7, 14. Here 14 protons holding 15 electrons. In case of N2 plus, 13 electrons are held by 14 protons. In which case the effective nuclear charge is more? In this case the effective nuclear charge is more. Why? Here 14 protons holding 13 electrons. For each electron the nuclear attraction is more in case of N2 plus. Therefore the size of the ion decreases and the two atoms come closer and the electrons are strongly held by the nucleus. Then it is very difficult to break the bonds between the two nitrogen atoms. So we have to put like this. That is the application of concept. Right. What about the bond length? N2 less than N2 plus and N2 minus. Here greater the number of electrons, so they are far apart with each other. Therefore, bond length is more. That is about the discussion related to the species of nitrogen. Right. Here, the third one is oxygen species. What about the oxygen species? O2, O2 plus, O2 minus, O2 2 minus. This is oxygen molecule, this is oxygen ion, this is peroxide ion, this is superoxide ion, this is peroxide ion. And here 2 into 8, 16 electron system. 2 into 8 minus 1, 15 electron system. 15 electron system already discussed. N2 minus. N2 minus. And NO 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. 15. Okay. Next O2 minus. 2 into 8 plus 1, that is equal to 17 electron system. And 2 into 8 plus 2, that is equal to 18 electron system. 18 electron system. Okay. What about the molecular orbital configuration? K, K star, L, L star, sigma 2p square z, pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y2, pi star 2px equal to pi star 2p y1. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 2, 16. Here 15, 1 electron less. Remove this electron. K, K star, L, L star, sigma 2p square z pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y pi star 2px equal to pi star 2p y 0. 17 electrons means one electron is added here. Then k star l star sigma square 2p z pi 2p square x is equal to pi 2p square y pi star 2p square x equal to pi star 2p square x equal to pi star 2p y1. 17. 18 electron system. Add one more electron to this means k star l star sigma 2p square z pi 2p square x equal to pi 2p square y pi star 2px square is equal to pi star 2p square y. These are all the molecular orbitals. What about the bond order? Bond order is equal to 10 minus 6 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Bond order is equal to 2 means the two oxygen atoms are bonded through a double bond. And here the species is not diamagnetic. Why? Previously I have given a statement. The species with even number of electrons are having the bond order as a whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. But here this is quite reverse. And the species with this is actually even number. Then according to the statement given, this should be diamagnetic. But here paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. Here the number of electrons 16, double bond, okay, satisfied, but here the condition is deviated. What is the reason for the paramagnetic nature of oxygen? Due to availability of unpaired electrons in pi star antibonding molecular orbitals. Very, very important. This is objective question, important question. Due to presence of unpaired electrons in pi star antibonding molecular orbitals. Here the oxygen molecule is paramagnetic in nature. This is also paramagnetic. This is also paramagnetic. Here bond order 10 minus. How many electrons are there? 15. How many electrons are greater than the number 10? 5. 5 electrons are greater than 10. 10 minus 5 by 2. That is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. One unpaired electrons. Paramagnetic. Next. Bond order 10. First you should write 10. Here what is the number? 7. How many electrons are greater than the number 10? 7. 10 minus 7 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. Here paramagnetic in nature. Why? There is an unpaired electron present in pi star antibonding molecular orbital. Okay. Bond order 10 minus. How many electrons are greater than the number 10? 8 electrons. 10 minus 8 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Bond order is equal to 1. Here the two oxygen atoms are bonded through a single bond in peroxide ion. Peroxide ion. This is superoxide ion. Superoxide ion. Oxygen molecule, oxygen ion, superoxide ion, peroxide ion. Okay. What about the bond order? Bond order O2 plus. O2 plus 2.5. O2 2. O2 minus 1.5. O2 plus O2. O2 minus, O2 2 minus. Here O2 plus 2.5, O2 2, O2 minus 1.5, O2 2 minus 1. What about the bond energy? Following the same. O2 plus greater than O2 greater than O2 minus greater than O2 2 minus. What about the bond length? O2 plus O2, O2 minus O2 2 minus. And here this is very important in case of nitrogen and oxygen. In some cases you have to compare the species of nitrogen and oxygen and also carbon also. Then you have to go through all those things. This is about the application of molecular orbital theory and calculation of bond order, identification of the nature of the species and determination of stability of the different species. Objective point of view, very important. Very important. Here, what is the bond order in nitrogen? 3. What is the bond order in N2 minus? 2.5. What is the bond order in N2 plus? N2 plus 13 electron system, that is near about 13 electron system 1.5. Okay, N2 plus 13 electron system means K star L star pi 2p square x is equal to pi 2p square y sigma 2p z1. 8 plus 5, 13. Bond order is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. 9 minus 4 by 2, that is equal to 2.5. This is also 2.5. 2.5. 2.5, not 1.5. Here, this is same as that of bond order of O2 plus is 2.5. N2 plus is also 2.5. N2 minus bond order is equal to N2 minus, that is nothing but 15 electron system, that is also 2.5. N2 minus is also 2.5. This is about the bond orders and nature of the species and stabilities of different species. Okay. And totally, now we can make a conclusion. In order to identify the bond order and all other details, we have to make it as a table. What are they? Here, first one. System. First one, system. And the second one, bond order. And third one, nature. And the fourth one, example. Fourth one, example. Okay. What about the different species? What about the different species with the different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, and here 15, 16, 17, 18 and 20. For the first one, 0.5, 1, 0.5, 0. And here once again, for the species with number of electrons with 8 electrons is also 0, and 5 electron system 0.5, 6 electron system 1, 7 electron system 0.5, 0.5, 1, 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1, 0.5, 0. 9 electron system, once again 0.5, 9 electron system 0.5. 10 electron system 1, 11 electron system 0.5. 12 electron system 2, 13 electron system 2.5, 14 electron system 3, 0.5, 1, 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1, 0.5, 0. From the 9 electron system onward 0.5, 1, 0.5, 2, 2.5, 3. For 15 electron system once again 2.5, 16 electron system 2, and this is 1.5, this is 1, this is 0. What about the nature of the spaces? Here the spaces with the even number of electrons means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and next one 15, 17, okay. These are all the system with odd number of electrons. Here the statement, the spaces with the odd number of electrons are paramagnetic mostly, and with fractional bond order, and the species with 4, 8 and 20 electrons, the bond order is equal to 0. Next, the species with even number of electrons are mostly diamagnetic, and with bond order as whole numbers like 0, 1, 2 and 3. The maximum bond order between any two atoms is equal to 3. Okay. Here the nature we can write, but here there is an exception. Here exception is oxygen molecule. For that, what is the exception for the statement? The species with even number of electrons are mostly diamagnetic and with bond order as a whole number like 0, 1, 2, 3. Here for oxygen molecule bond order is equal to 2. Okay, first condition is satisfied, but the second condition is not satisfied. What is that? That is paramagnetic in nature but not diamagnetic. And here para, and next one dia, para, next para, next dia, 7 electron system, para, next 9, para, here 10, para. In most of the cases para, and this is dia, para, dia, para and para and para, and this is dia and not. And you have to make it the table like this, and same time there is an important statement. The species with the same number of electrons are having same bond order. Already I have given the examples also. I have given the examples in each and every case. N2, number of electrons 2 into 7, 14. Cn minus 14. Okay, O2 2 plus. O2 2 plus 14. O2 2 plus means 2 into 8, 16. 16 minus 2, 14. And next one, NO plus 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1 means 1 electron is subtracted. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. So, N2 is equal to Cn minus is equal to NO plus is equal to O2 2 plus. These are all the species that are having the number of electrons 14. Their bond order is equal to 3, and all the species are diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature, and same time you have to make the table like this, and you have to remember all these statements. The species with odd number of electrons are paramagnetic and with fractional bond order, and they are unstable. The species with the number of electrons 4, 8 and 20 bond order is 0. The species with even number of electrons are mostly diamagnetic and with bond order as a whole numbers like 0, 1, 2 and 3. Exception, oxygen molecule. It has bond order too, but that is paramagnetic in nature. Next one, the maximum bond order between any two atoms is equal to 3. And there is an important note. In objective exams, in most of the cases, here the electron systems are given from the species with the number of electrons 9. Look at here. Number of electrons is equal to 9, 0.5, 10, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Okay. From 15 onwards, here up to this 14 electron system, bond order 3. 15, 2.5, 16, 2, 17, 1.5, 18, 1 and 20, 0. Means here we can make a trick from this. We can make a trick from this, 0 to 0. Because in objective exams, you have to solve the bit within fraction of seconds. Here this is the electron system 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, 19, 20. 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. 0 to 3.5. 0 to 3.5 means from 8 to 14, the bond order gradually increases from 0 to 3. From 14 to 20, the bond order decreases once again. 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0. From 8 to 14, this is the landmark. What is the landmark? Bond order 3, 14. This is the landmark. From 8 to 14, bond order gradually increased by 0.5 variation. From 14 to 20, here the bond order once again varies by 0.5, decreases 0 to 0. From 8 to 14, the bond order increases from 0 to 3. From 14 to 20, the bond order decreases from 3 to 0. Here bond order decreases, here the bond order increases. And beyond this, for any spaces, we can calculate the bond order by using a trick. What is that? Bond order is equal to 10 minus number of electrons greater than 10 by 2. Example, suppose 16 electrons are there. Bond order is equal to 10 minus, here this is 16. How many electrons greater than 10? 6 electrons. 10 minus 6 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Bond order is equal to 2. This is a important formula. 10 minus number of electrons greater than 10. 10 minus number of electrons greater than 10 by 2. Here 16 electrons are there. How many electrons are greater than 10? 6 electrons. So 10 minus 6 by 2, that is equal to 2. Bond order 2. Here what is the system? 16 electrons 2. Apply for another one. Here 19 electron system. 19 electron system. Bond order is equal to 10 minus 19 means how many electrons are greater than 10? 9. 10 minus 9 by 2, 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. This is about the concept of molecular orbital theory. Very important. Objective point of view, if the paper setter is ready to give the hard questions or standard questions from the chapter chemical bond, definitely he should or he will come across the concept molecular orbital theory. You have no need to feel confused or feel tense related to this one. Do you have any doubts? Please call me and contact with me. I will explain once again. And this is about the molecular orbital theory, right?